I received over 100 RPM on a few English YouTube videos, and that shifted the entire way I think about faceless channels. By focusing on the right niche, smart keyword research, and AI automation, I built channels that consistently generate high returns without ever showing my face. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to build your own high RPM faceless YouTube channel. Part 1. RPM, CPM, and Playback-based CPM. Before we dive in, let's decode the three main YouTube monetization terms. CPM, cost per mile. What advertisers pay for 1,000 ad impressions. Playback-based CPM. The CPM only when ads are actually shown. RPM, revenue per mile. What you actually earn per 1,000 views, including ads, premium, and after YouTube's cut. When I say I received 100 plus RPM, that means YouTube paid over $100 for every 1,000 views on those videos. Part 2. Why RPM greater than views? Chasing viral views might seem smart, but a better strategy is chasing value per view. Fewer views in the right niche can earn far more than millions of views in the wrong one. Part 3. High RPM niches. Here are some of the most advertiser competitive niches where I've received high RPMs, and they work well for faceless content. Niche RPM range, USD, home services, $40 to $120, solar panel installation, $30 to $100, green energy, $25 to $90, seniors aid, retirement planning, $30 to $95, insurance auto life health, $25 to $80, window replacement roofing, $35 to $95, AI tools, tutorials, $20 to $50, SaaS product reviews, $15 to $35, doctor education, $20 to $55, health conditions, example EDPCOS, $30 to $70, personal finance and credit cards, $25 to $60. These niches have high commercial intent, advertisers pay more, and RPM goes up. Part 4. Language and Tier 1 traffic. Your content's language and geographic reach can significantly affect RPM. English content gets picked up by Tier 1 countries like the US, UK, and Canada, where ad budgets are highest. Tier countries RPM range: Tier 1 USA, UK, Canada, Australia, 15 to 100 plus, Tier 2 India, Brazil, Mexico, 2 to 8, Tier 3 Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, $0.5 to $3. Tier 1 targeting gives your channel better monetization from the start. Part 5. Keyword strategy and tools. Your keyword strategy makes or breaks your channel, especially in the early stages. Start by targeting low competition keywords with moderate search volume. This helps your videos rank in YouTube search and get initial views fast. Here are a few tools I recommend. VidIQ, great for spotting low competition opportunities. Semrush, powerful for deep keyword plus competitor analysis, paid. If Semrush feels expensive, you can use Flikover, a reliable group buy platform, to access it affordably. Ranking for easy keywords early helps you build traction, gain subscribers, and earn algorithm trust. Later, you can expand into more creative and competitive content. Part 6. My AI workflow. Here's my complete AI-powered system for running faceless channels efficiently. For script writing, ChatGPT, Claude. For voiceover, ElevenLabs, PlayHT. For B-roll, Pictory, Runway, Pixel, Descript. Editing software, CapCut. AI presenter, HeyGen. For thumbnails, Midjourney and Canva. Why I use HeyGen. HeyGen creates a realistic AI presenter that gives your faceless video a human touch. Benefits: boosts watch time and retention, builds trust, especially in finance, health, and education. Looks professional, no camera needed. Perfect for replicable, scalable content. I typically place the avatar in the corner with B-roll in the background. It feels like a presenter-led video without ever stepping in front of a camera. Part 7. Monetization beyond AdSense. Once you have a high RPM video flow, you can unlock additional income sources. Affiliate links, tools, SaaS, health products, digital products, Notion templates, guides, email list growth, sponsorships as your authority grows. Each video becomes a digital asset, generating views, trust, and revenue. You now have the exact strategy to build a faceless YouTube channel with high RPM using AI. Focus on high-value niches. Use English content to reach Tier 1 traffic. Research low competition keywords with Semrush, VidIQ, or Flikover. Automate production using AI tools. Boost retention with HeyGen. Stack monetization for long-term success. This is a repeatable system, not luck. With strategy and consistency, it scales fast. So if this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more such AI content ideas, comment below on which topic you want the next video, and yes, follow on Instagram also. Thank you.